Here is Nugab Batallah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Welcome to a new video in my series uploading files in NodeJS using filetor. Inshallah, in this article we will learn how to upload single and multiple files in NodeJS using filetor package. This is a filetor package. Okay, we will install and use this package for uploading single and multiple files in Node.js. Okay, we will develop also simple application. This application contains two APIs. The first API, it's a register API, which allowing user for uploading a single file, profile image. And the second API, advertisement API, which allowing user for uploading multiple images. Okay. Now the requirement part. You should make sure that npm and Node.js installed on your machine. How can I make sure? We can do that by running this command node-v and npm-v. If it's not installed in your machine, okay, this is, you can install it, download and install it from their official website. Okay. Feel free also to use any code editor, but it's highly recommended to use Visual Studio Code. You can also download Visual Studio Code from their official website here, and based on your operating system you can select download and install. Great. Now this is the implementation part. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now we will create a new project. It's called uploader project. Make dir uploader. Okay, cd uploader, and we will open this project using Visual Studio Code. The first step here is initiating a Node.js project by running this command npm init. Okay, answering this question, description, it will be okay, uploading files in Node.js using filetor. Entry point will make it app.js. Okay, yes, great. This is our package with JSON file. It's created. What else? Yeah, second step here is installing the required package. We will install Express package and filetor. Express package, we will use it for creating web application, and filetor, as mentioned before, we will use it for uploading files. Now let's install these two packages. npm install Express and filetor. Yes, it's installed. Great. We'll also create a new directory. It's called public, which will be used as a static directory, used for serving static files in Node.js, and we'll configure it to serve static files in Node.js and use it for uploading also files as a directory for the uploaded files. Okay, now we'll create a new folder. It's called public. Great. It's a simple little lines of code. You will be able to upload single file and multiple files using this package. Okay, there is 3 instances. Yeah, the first instance, it's filetor, which will be used for uploading a single file. We mentioned before we will create 2 APIs, register API and advertisement API. Register API, we will upload only single file, so we will use the filetor instance, and the filetor instance accepts an object as a parameter. This is file. We will put here the file name. Okay, in the register API, it will be request.files.profile image, and the dir, it will be the uploaded directory path. We will put here the uploaded directory path. For the allowed extension key, this will be array of the file extension allowed to upload, like PNG, PDF, JPG. Okay, So this is the filetor instance which related to register API. For the second API advertisement, in this API will upload multiple files, so we will use the filetor's instance. The difference between filetor and filetors in this key: in filetor it's only file, single file, but in filetors it's files, which will be array of files. In this case, request.files.cars. This will be array of multiple files. Great. And dir will be the uploaded directory. In this example, it will be uploads. Yeah. Okay, let's create a new directory inside public. It's called uploads. Great. Okay, now let's copy this code and highlight the most important. Now let us create our entry point, touch app.js. Okay, yeah, okay, we'll highlight the most important lines here. This is the first important line: creating an instance from filetor. This is the filetor instance. It will be used for uploading single file, filetors for uploading multiple files, filetor in it will be used for initializing filetor and integrating it with Express application. Okay, this is the first important line: creating filetor instance. Okay, great. And this is the second important line here. Okay, initiating a filetor and integrating it with Express application. We can pass many options for filetor in it, like the file size, okay, and other option also. Here we are defining the uploaded directory. Public uploads will upload the files in this directory, and this is the allowed extensions. Okay, great. And also don't forget to set up this public directory as a static directory for this application, okay, to serve static files. Okay, great. Now let's continue. This is our first API, register API, which allowing user to upload single file, and this file is called profile image. Okay, now this is promise instance. Okay, so async, then await, and here we will pass the object, the file name. In our case here it's profile image, request.file.profile image, and this is the directory, uploaded directory, dir. Okay, by joining the bus of our current location and the uploaded directory, which will be public/uploads. Here also the third key, allowed extensions, is the allowed extension for this API. Great. The second API, okay, let us test the first API and we will discuss the second API. Now, node app.js. Now it's running on port 5000. Let us open Postman. Here we will put register, yes, form data. We are not using all of this. Okay, and the key we will use here, it's profile image. We just only uploading profile image. Okay, the type is file first, profile image, and we will select any file. Okay, let's select any PNG file. Yeah, uploaded files, and yes, as you can see, the upload, this is the response coming from filetor instance. Upload status, it's true, and this is the new name of uploaded files, and this is the complete path, the code, message, file uploaded successfully, and this is the size of file, the type of file and the file original name. This is additional information يعني mobile developer can use it and utilize it when you are working with a mobile developer or are you a front-end developer. He can utilize this information like code, like message. Okay, now let us test uploaded directory. Yeah, great, this is the file, it's uploaded. Now we'll discuss and test advertisement. Yes, advertisement, as we mentioned before, this API is used for uploading multiple files. Okay, great. So the key we'll use, it's requested files with cards. This will be array of files. So the files here will be cards and same directory. Allowed extension also will be same. We can increase PDF extension. Okay, and to differentiate, and we will see the response of filetor's instance. Now after updating, we'll run our application again. App.js, great. Yeah, so the API advertisement, and the key will be used cards, and this will be array. So here file, this is cards, will name, it will be the same name, cards. This is array of 0, array of 1, array of 2. Okay, now select file. Okay, we'll select this PDF file, select another file, not this one. We can use this file, and we can use, yes, this one. Okay, now we have 3 files. Yes, great. This is the response coming from filetor's instance. Array of objects. This is the first file. Yes, second file, third file. Okay, we will check uploads directory. Yes, great. This is the PDF file and the 2 images that we have uploaded. Now it's simple, very simple interface for uploading files in Node.js. This is I think it's maybe it's little lines of codes. The first code is first line is initiating, creating the instance. Second line is initiating the filetor instance and integrating it with Express application. This is configuration, also the uploaded directory, allowed extension, and the third important line using filetor and the filetor's instance. And based on the response, you can handle the response if you can get the response if the file uploaded successfully or not. And the mobile developer or front-end developer, he will also utilize this additional information to display based on the code and the message. He can display the file is uploaded successfully or not, all of this stuff. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.